All right, so let's get through this DI. So in the first problem, it says fill in the chart below. And so I need to know what so for this first one, I need to know what the interval notation is, and I need to know the region on the number line. And so it's the set builder. We're defining x, but we're saying x is between -1 and 5. -1 is inclusive, 5 is exclusive. So the interval notation, I'm just going to say 1a, I don't know. So the interval notation, I know that because it says equal to, it's going to be a bracket, and the other one's going to be a parentheses, so it's going to be from -1 to 5. And then the region on the number line, so this is going to be -1, this is going to be +5, open circle, close circle, and shade that. For the next one, so we'll say part B, I need to know the set builder and then the region on the number line. So if it gives me including 0, excluding 3, so this is what it gives me. So that means that for the set builder, define x such that, now I need to state what x is, so x is between 0 and 3. And then the number line, 0, 3, close circle, shade, open circle. Let's go down to like an infinity one, so towards the bottom. So let's do the -infinity to 9. That's going to be this one right here that I'm circling with the mouse. So let's look at that one. -infinity to 9. So the set builder, define x such that, now it's -infinity to 9. So that's everything less than 9. So then x is going to be less than 9. Because it has everything smaller than it. And I can't include 9, so that's why there's no equal to sign. And so now, arrow this way, since it's going to -infinity, it's going to stop at 9, and that's all being shaded. Let's look at the next one. So if I have that, so the set builder method, define my variable x. Now it looks like it starts at 4 and it's everything greater than that. So that means x is greater than 4. So it's everything greater than that. And then the interval notation is going to be parenthesis 4 to infinity. Now let's look at some of these other ones down here. So like number 2. Or number 3. Let's look at number 3. So for number 3, it says we're defining x such that x cannot equal 0 and plus or minus 4. But I never said x can't be anything else. So if we drew our number line, I said that x can't be -4, it can't be 0, and it can't be +4. So those are open circles. I'm going to clean that up. What? There we go. So they're all open circles. But I never said it can't be anything else. So then what are those intervals? Well, this first interval, since it's going that way forever, that's -infinity to -4. This interval is -4 to 0. This interval is from 0 to 4. And this interval starts at 4 and goes on to infinity. Because they're open circle, that's why they're all parentheses. Infinity is always parentheses. Now how do I say these are together? We use this symbol union to say that they're all together. Looking at number 5, the number 17, that is a natural number. It is a whole number because natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, ... Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... Integers are negative, positive, and 0 whole numbers, so it is an integer. I can write it as a fraction, so it is a rational number. And it's not, which means it's not rational, and then therefore it's going to be real. And then for number 6, I have negative 12, d is greater than or equal to negative 6. Well, we have to solve for d. So divide everything by negative 12. So I get d is less than or equal to 1/2. Now notice what I did here. Whenever you divide or multiply by a negative with an inequality, you have to flip the sign. So therefore, my answer is going to be C.